Letter I. Wiggle your fingers at the end of your nose as if you are a mouse and stroking your whiskers and squeak. E. E. So letter is I and its phonic sound is E. Now the letter is J. Pretend to wobble like a jelly on a plate. J, 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 j. J, 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 j. So letter is J and the phonic sound is J, 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 j. Now the letter is K. Lift your hands up and snap your fingers together as if you are clicking a castanets and saying k, k, k. Remember the sound of C, the phonic sound of C and K is same. K, k, k. Now letter L. Pretend as if you are licking a lollipop. Remember, actions are also important in phonic sounds. So letter is L and its phonic sound is L. Now the letter is M. Rub your tummy as if you are seeing your favorite dish and say mmm, mmm. So letter is M and its phonic sound is mmm. Then letter N. Spread your arms and say like mmm. Stretch your arms as if you are an aeroplane and say like this mmm. So letter is N and its phonic sound is mmm. Thank you.